Welcome back to another video, and today we're working on the Discovery 2. We're just doing a bit of maintenance, and it's not a too in-depth video, but it might help someone out. We're just going to be doing a quick drain and refill on the rear diff, because that's the only one that's not leaking. So that's the oil. It'll be going in with a syringe. So we're on the rear of the vehicle. Up seals don't seem to be wet on either side. I've got no leaks on the diff housing. So this is going to be a nice straightforward job, this. So as we can see, we're parked on a nice level surface. This is the level plug. That's the drain plug. If you can make it out. That square key is actually full of mud, so we're going to have to dig that out first. Okay, so just going to clean this up so we can get our key in here. So with that cleaned up, still got a little bit of crap in there, but that's a layer of rust as well, so now it would be nice to have a clean slate to drop this into, but I've got waste oil everywhere, I've run out of space to put it, so we've got a dirty tray. Nothing I can do about that. Okay, so while that's draining, because I'm too scared to look at that plug, because I don't know if you caught a glimpse of that, that did not look good, and it's already got a magnetic plug in it. But that did not look clean. Okay, filler plug didn't look the best either. Now, I've got two theories here. Either the diff's on the way out, or it's already had a diff. And all the stuff on the sun plugs that I'm about to show you is left over from when it's had a diff and it's not been cleaned out properly. So we're just gonna see with me magnetic stick if there's anything lying about in here. Okay. Not bad. Right. So this is the level plug. Now I don't see how anything can come in contact with this unless something breaks drastically. So I'm hoping the diff's gone wrong, it's exploded, took this out, done that damage to it. Because surely if there's that much damage to the diff and it's done this to the plug, it wouldn't be driving you there a noise, it would be clicking and clunking. So I'm thinking it's had a diff rebuild and they've reused the old plugs. But look at this. And brass isn't magnetic. So any big bits we find in here, it's not going to be off that plug. As long as there's no big bits, should be alright. I will be putting these back in as well because proof's in the pudding, isn't it? That's stopping all that from going all around that diff. Even the light stuff you wouldn't want floating around it, so I'll reuse them. So we have got a couple of bits. Now that looks like the end of a tooth, where it's took the top of a tooth off maybe. Let's get the brake cleaner on it and see what we've got. Okay, so some plugs all cleaned. That'll be going back in. That's all sorts of little bits of swarf. And these are the big bits that we've got out of it. Now, it's not terrible, but it's never good to find any bits of metal come out of any sump, gearbox, diff, anything like that. But I'm going to go with the theory it's had a previous diff rebuild or diff swap. Well, at least that's what I'm telling myself anyway. But it could be worse, could be bigger bits, could be more. But I'm glad I've done this. We're going to top it up with fresh fluid and hopefully prolong the life of that diff. And just as a precaution, left that bottom plug out. I'm just going to swill it with a little bit as well. Okay, so it's finished draining. It's had a flush. Let's get this drain plug back in. Just clean up them threads. And you'll know when these are tight. They're just on like a little taper, like a Fiat Punto sun plug. I think that'll do us. That'll do. So these diffs take about 1.5 litres. That's the first syringe in. Just keep going until it starts to backfeed out this hole. And that's it. Drain plug's back in and bone dry. We're full up to the level plug, so when that slows down a bit I'll put the top plug back in. So our dripping has slowed right down on that level plug. Same again, clean them threads, make sure nothing's going to go in there when you put that plug in. And the drain plug is 13mm square, or a 1/2 inch ratchet will probably do it, and these are 21mm. Same again with this, you don't want to go too tight. All you've got to do is squash that rubber O-ring. And I think that'll do us. Give it a little wipe down as well. Job done. So that's it. Our rear diff drain and refill is complete. Obviously the same story if you're going to do the front diff as well. Drain plug there, level plug there. I am going to do this diff, but I've got 2 drive shaft oil seals and the housing seal to do as well before I do that. So if you liked the video, go ahead, leave a like. Don't forget to comment and make sure to subscribe so I can catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.